You said 26. Yeah, you can Council for
Yes.
On today for Thursday, so this one for next. Thursday. All right. So Council for but it was the same Out is October 6th to the 8th. Right, ways of parents. All right, got it. And we got what for you to see.
Patriarch.
What happens after every step? What ran inside for the reason? I started just when she said. All right, so 100%. All right, there you go. Welcome, Sophia. Robles. Just a second. All right, so I- All right, there you go. There you go. When we put those levels together, it was readily known that that is the reason for that is better. So you can someone just get it. Practice. It works out, right? Right, Justin, ready for CHAs?
Yeah.
Top of 5, Baldwin, come on up.
Mr. Baldwin, do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir. And it's a little bit more time.
Great. We will give you more time. Your case is 36 days old, so get ready.
Yes, sir.
All right, come on.
Thank you.
This way. All right, bottom of 6, Britain. Right.
Good morning, Mr. Britton. Do you have a lawyer today? Great. I'd like to ask for more hair. It's not going to happen. What do you do for a living? Great. So you earn a living. Okay, great. It's time for you to provide for yourself as well. We don't just give out lawyers like it's candy on Halloween. You have to qualify, meaning federal poverty guideline. We don't give out like it's candy on Halloween. Do you understand? You pick up a case, that's on you. All the people of Harris County don't get to pay for it just because you want one. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire lawyers. There's a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. It's like finding a car. Don't go to Ferrari. Don't go to Porsche. Go to what you can afford. It's a matter of you going through either Google, the Yellow Book, whatever, and just one by one. You may need to do 20. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan if you ask. You understand? Please.
This way. Go ahead and sign for your receipt. Top of 7, Cavazos.
Me is going to represent me. He's not here yet. Yes.
Oh, you have an attorney?
Yes. My president. Yeah.
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 9, Escobar. There you go, your picture.
Mr. Escobar, do you have a lawyer today?
No, I will have him Friday on. I didn't have the money until this probably comes in.
Great. We'll set you for Monday.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Get on it, doggone it.
Right this way. Goodly. Go ahead and sign for the receipt.
Okay.
He's supposed to have a time.
Yes, it's from the right.
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 13, Guerra. Guerra. All right, you're free to go.
Morning, Mr. Guerra. Do you have a lawyer today? Your case is 117 days old. You have until Monday. You have to understand. We set cases for trial at 180 days. You are at 120 days. You understand? See you Monday. Be ready.
Top of 14, Harrison.
Did we send Mr. Harrison for a test?
That's in 50 days, Judge. He's THA today. It's not.
Mr. Harrison, do you have a lawyer today? What have you done to look for a lawyer? It's time for you to have a lawyer. Do you understand? I'll see you. You have 30 days. At that time, be back with a lawyer.
We'll sign in just a minute. All right, Judge, top of 16, Johnson. All right, go ahead and sign.
We have a lawyer today, Mr. Johnson. No. Send him for a drug and alcohol test today, please. Take a seat for me in the jury box.
Mr. Johnson, right this way.
I'm sending him for a POC test.
Yes, Judge, I'm just gonna get these. There you go. There you go. All right, go ahead and sign your reset. Page 24, Ruiz.
Mr. Ruiz, do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
I got a lawyer already. I just got a call. Need a little bit more time to pay the initial down payment. I have them on another certification.
Great. It's time. Do you understand? You have 30 days. When you come back, have the lawyer ready.
Sure.
All right, come on.
This way. All right, top of 25, Santa Banez. We'll sign in just.
Mr. Santillanes, do you have a lawyer today? Great. Just take a seat. We'll wait for them to come up.
Santa Banez, right this way. All right, I can sign for you. All right, Judge. Top of 26, Stokes.
Good morning, Mr. Stokes. Do you have a lawyer today?
No, not.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
Contacted over 10, 15 years old.
Who did you contact? Okay, well, what do you do for a living?
I'm a private.
Great. So you make money.
Yes.
Great. We're going to reset your case to give you more time. No. This is not a negotiation.
Can I speak real quick? If I'm not able, because you're not even giving, this is my third time coming, telling you that I can't afford. So
Second time coming.
third time coming.
Second time.
You know, I came in June, July, third time August. My third time coming. I called different lawyers. If I'm not able to fill out the affidavit, but need to prove the situation because this case is by this code.
I don't care if it's 15 years
I
old.
understand.
You have to be at the federal poverty guideline making 15,000 a year. You understand? How much money do you make a month?
It all varies between three.
You know exactly how much money you make. Mr. Stokes.
Between 3,000 and 4,000.
Okay, you're not going to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Just because you don't want to spend the money, don't mean squat. Listen, this life is not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you spend. If you spend beyond your means, that's on you. And Harris County doesn't get to pay for it.
If I'm not able to get it, I can represent myself and just move forward.
If you want to represent yourself, you're more than welcome to do it. He who represents himself has a fool for a lawyer, as Abraham Lincoln said, though. At $4,000,
You don't understand, like, just because I have a job
Stop.
doesn't mean I can't afford it. Like, I have other expenses, like.
if you spend beyond your means, that's on you.
I don't drink, I don't smoke, you know what I'm saying, I don't go out, I just take it, I cannot afford it, like I said. If I'm not able to give money, then I can represent myself to cases, like I said, even though you don't care if it's 5 or 40 years old, I'm just ready to move forward from this case. I got a tattoo on my leg, all that other stuff. Well, this case.
Mr. Stokes, let me tell you something. The kind of case that you have, look at me when I'm talking to you. It's a big sign of disrespect. You start going like this, like this. It's a big sign of disrespect. And do you think judges like it when you do that? No, right. I'm not a child and I don't expect you to treat me like one. That's what a child does.
Yes, sir.
This case, a harassing communication can have a dire effect on your ability to
Yes, sir. I understand.
earn a living, to get federal grants, state grants. If you need any kind of substance from any place, this can affect you. So it's not just a drop in the bucket. Well, just let me plead guilty and just. That's not what this is about, because it can have a dire effect. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. So if I'm not able to fill out the.
I want proof. I want bank records.
Yes,
I want tax
yes,
returns.
sir.
Then show me
Yes,
with
sir.
your name on it,
Yes, sir.
and then we'll take a look to see whether you qualify.
Yes,
But if you're making $4,000 a month,
yes, sir.
you're not going to qualify. I'm telling you now.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, please. Hold on. This case is now 76 days old. You get 30 days. At that point, be ready. Do you understand? At 180 days, we set cases for trial, kicking or screaming. You understand?
Yes, to bring in information. from my-
No, I want you to actively look. There are a gajillion and one lawyers out there that will most certainly put you on a payment plan for a couple $100 a month. They will represent you. It's a matter of you negotiating with them. 99% of lawyers, you can negotiate with them. Well, I can give you this much now. I can give you this much later. And you understand?
Yes.
That's what it's about. Don't call one or two, 15, 20, 30, but there is a lawyer for you,
Yes,
just like a car.
yes, sir. But if I'm not able to, I would like.
Why do you start out with such a bad attitude? Well, I can't do this. I can't do that. I can't do this. I can't do that.
I just don't want to come before you again, and then we have the same issue. Like I said, if I'm not able, I'm gonna do as what you said, I'm gonna get the bank records and all.
Bring me a list of at least 10 names of people, and I'm going to write everything that we're saying,
Oh,
because if not, I'm going to send you on your way again.
yes, sir.
But I want a list of at least 10 people that you've spoken to, priced down. Don't come in here with someone who's charging you $30,000 or $50,000, because I know that but a reasonable price.
Correct.
And then I also want other proof as to why you can't afford a lawyer.
Yes.
Don't just bring me a bar napkin saying, well, no,
No.
actual proof.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Actually, I proof on.
I'm not going to look at phone records. I'm not going to take your phone. I don't want to do that. I have bad eyesight as it is. Bring me paper. The more effort you put into things in life, the better you get.
Yes.
I didn't become a judge here by just, you understand?
No,
You put your heart and soul into anything, and my dumbass got up here, anybody can do anything. You understand me?
Yes.
We'll see you soon.
Thanks.
All right, Judge, page 27 and 28, Valdez. Okay.
So not only are you on bond for 2 cases, you pick up 2 new cases and you come in shorts. Get your point. Mr. Valdez, you now stand charged with evading arrest and unlawful carrying of a weapon. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Another 4 PR bond. Come on.
This morning I was just having such bad connection. On 8/8/2026, at approximately 1:13, officer was assigned to conduct a traffic stop on Black Chevrolet Tahoe in Harris County after observing the vehicle cross over the crosswalk line at a red light establishing the Tahoe stopped at a gas station. Immediately upon stopping, the defendant and the rear passenger exited and ran on foot. Officer caught him as he attempted to jump a fence after fleeing approximately 600 feet. Defendant pulled his hand away while fleeing. The officer maintained control, ordered him to the ground and detained him. Officer conducted a high-risk pat down. A firearm was located in multiple pieces on his person. The firearm is a rugged piece of 9mm. A record check through NBT revealed that defendant was found out on bond for evading as a result of 21 possession of a handgun.
So who was he? Was he the driver? Was he the passenger? Did the officers tell him to stop?
He was the driver, Judge, and there was a rear passenger. And as soon as they stopped, they got out of the car and started running.
Officers told them to stop, presumably?
Yes, Judge.
And they kept going?
Kept going, jumping the fence, trying to jump the fence.
What time of day or night was this?
It was 1:13 a.m.
Mr. Valdez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Guess what happens now? Guess what happens now, Mr. Valdez? You're going to jail. Deputy, I'm revoking all of his bonds. Absolutely not. And now you will get a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. with a monitor on your ankle prior to your release. If I find that you have a weapon, if I find that you're using alcohol or drugs, I'm making your bond $20,000 now. You violate this again, I'm gonna go bananas on all of your bonds. Do you understand me? Can you please appoint him a lawyer?
Yes.
5,004 on all of them. Yeah,
GPS on all of them. GPS on all of them.
all of them, yeah,
Judge, even the ones on Friday's docket?
all of them. No better time to be efficient.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Bring it.
Page 30 and 31, Williams, first initial.
Veronica, no contact with the co-defendant, no weapons. Testing weekly if he does bond out. And I think that's it. Victoria,
Williams on page 30 and 31.
all right, good morning, Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, you have a lawyer today. Okay, great. We'll give you another reset. When you come back, please have a lawyer, okay? Please.
All right, Judge, page 32, Wilson. We'll sign it just a minute.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson. You have a lawyer today. Tell me what you're doing about that. I get it, but you've got two open cases. You got to have a lawyer. Criminal cases are the most important thing in your life, not your mom, not your dog, not going to Schlitterbahn, because if you don't take care of this, you're looking at up to a year in jail. Times 2. Do you understand? It's time for you to get a lawyer. We're going to reset your case in 30 days. Come back and please have a lawyer. Do you understand? All right. Wait a second. Hold on. Come on. We need bond conditions on homeboy. I don't think he's got any. Mr. Wilson, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You're also charged with interference with emergency request for assistance. Please. Yeah, I don't see bond conditions.
State bond conditions on the interference.
The AFM doesn't have anything.
Right, so if he does something, then I can't do anything on the AFN, so I need, please.
On 7/4/2026, officer was dispatched to a location in Harris County, Texas. Upon making contact, CW stated that defendant was her ex-boyfriend. CW stated she was at home when her and defendant got into a verbal altercation. CW stated she told defendant that he was a bad father and he didn't know how to be a good father, which made him upset. CW stated while arguing, she told him she was going to call the police and that since the pair had made calls previously to 911, defendant took the comment seriously and headbutted her and took her phone. CW stated she pushed defendant and tried to take her phone back, but defendant pushed her back. CW stated while in squatting position, defendant hit the CW's knee with the phone. CW stated she observed defendant about to leave, so she asked for the phone back multiple times, and defendant ignored, took the phone and left the apartment.
Okay, Mr. Wilson, you're ordered not to have any contact with this complaining witness and not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? It's not a negotiation. Just don't have contact with this person. Don't have any weapons. Do you understand? I don't want to repeat myself, and I certainly don't want to have to put you in jail. I'm not asking much from you. Don't have any contact. Don't have any weapons. Don't pick up any new cases and don't endanger my city. Do you understand me? Okay, we will have you sign the bond conditions and after that you'll be free to go.
When I was here last time, they gave me the same bond conditions or something different.
I don't see them signed and that's why we want to make sure that they're signed. They got signed on only one case. So if you do something, theoretically, I can only revoke your bond on one case. And if you do something, I want to get both cases. You understand? Come on.
Right, this. And time for your reset. All right, Judge, page 22, Preston. I didn't have to see the original. It's on the statement. Yeah.
Is this it? Good morning, Ms. Preston. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I have to keep the down payment.
Okay, ma'am, we will give you time. When you come back, please have a lawyer, okay? Please,
That's it for now, Judge.
okay.
We're gonna get you to sign in just a minute. Yeah. All right, there you go, you're free to go.
Veronica, can I give you a cause number, please? 262 4830 on Osei. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry. I see it now. I didn't see the BVR report. I see it now. Okay, we're good.
All right, we'll just know that there's a little closer. I'll print it out of you. I'm still appointing right now. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's took place. I didn't just not move this. It's a pretty long. So we never just move out since and again, most. We went into the course that we was the year. So then. So we just. If you want to leave it downstairs, I'll put it.
Hey, ready? Hi, please.
See you back.
Hey, thanks. How are you?
I have Mr. Rochelle on the docket, pure discovery hearing.
Okay,
So.
Yeah, this can give it one time silence.
anything you're missing?
So yes, the officer and judge are still not in. It was the one that was requesting the last setting.
The what?
Officer Hill, Mr. Rochelle.
Yeah, so Judge, I was explaining to council that normally some officers have like a little notepad that they use to help them write their office reports. Sometimes they take pictures of it, sometimes they don't. We did request it back in July 15th and we haven't gotten anything back. But I advise us, and it's usually just notes that they take like containers name or something and they put it on the office.
So what do you want?
We're just asserting our rights to keep the.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, if he tries to come up and tries to use it after the fact, it's just not gonna come in. Yeah, whatever's not in by now, it's just not gonna be used.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, for sure.
Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
You said you were all over the. I'm just waiting for that. Okay, there you go. Good way to go. Yeah. August 25 to 27. The party parents opposite please to consider anybody else?
Get ready for Friday.
Put them all on the thing. Okay, I'll just follow.
Just. Friday is gonna be a Dewey. Are you really taking off?
No.
Hey, you ready? Hey, good morning. How are you?
Okay, I have a stock case on that tomorrow. I see the state filed multiple payments today, so I'll just approach them today.
Have you had a continuance before?
On Johnson.
Connie Johnson is the name, Judge.
Do you have the cause number by chance?
It's 258-1569.
Are you ready, defense?
Yes, I'm ready, Judge.
So it looks like it's a first motion for continuance, right?
Yes.
I believe this is our first trial setting.
Yeah, okay. I'll grant it for you, but you're not gonna get another one. So be ready next time.
It was just an emergency for the main witness.
It's not a problem, but just be ready. I mean, if there's an emergency, come hell or high water, doesn't matter the next time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just 30 days out, just whatever you want. I don't care. Yeah, just put in the bit. Oh, is Ramona here?
I'm not sure, actually.
No, I don't think Ramona's here today. Or I don't know. She's usually,
Thank you, Judge.
for sure. And then if you don't mind putting it in, I'll sign it.
Really everything, I'll be the best, see how. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what
I'll end this one.
Yeah. Hey, just Galveston. How are you?
Oh, really?
Great to see you. Yeah. Thanks. How are you?
Good. So that is the county already dealing. We have a company.
Say it again.
Is it county already dealing?
Ah. Let's not get started on that.
People are asking about what?
You know, it's funny and there's no money, There's a huge deficit.
They said we have no money.
huge deficit.
We're spending $2.5 million to investigate something with it.
And then what about all the other officers? They're making half, aren't they?
I don't know. They want to write that. Why don't we fully fund the priority?
Hey, hold on. Remember, I'm live streaming, so be careful, just careful. Okay. But
Well, if you watch your boy,
yeah, I see it.
and we had a good time. I was, people wrote, "You really rolled." I was irritated. Facts were, so $2,000. First house, and second house.
Wait, who did this? Haven't even heard of that.
Oh, that's the newest one. You know, I said, look, you
Taxed?
asked it. I said, you're not your house with it. I'll explain that, because I said, I was gonna offer more. So offer free stuff. It's not gonna make any difference. I mean, what you're talking about. And it goes, I'm gonna use it. That's what I would be. But he's. I should. He's terrible.
Yeah. Well,
Off of Washington.
Hey, Gary.
So sometimes that's how that's reason to the customer side of this. I mean, you're gonna have to fix the okay, next one, I'll give you the next one. We have the. It's not super cool. Already offset. You want to follow up to Simon?
Hernandez,
I'm sorry.
Hernandez, come on up. Now, before we start.
Different filing something. On the back, it's printed out, the files attached. But you filed it with me. No, I didn't see one yet. That's. Yes,
Last name Williams. Williams. Mr. Williams, I'm just gonna get your signature, you're gonna sign your modification. So, Mr. Williams, just your copy of your bond conditions, I will take anything that I do now online, but then your next court date is September the 14th, it is hard for teacher, okay? You're welcome. Have a good one.
That doesn't change what the is. That doesn't change what the is. We follow as a union.
And the continuance is granted, Judge?
Yes, great.
Yes.
Mr. Washington. Good morning, guys.
Hey, good morning. How was your trip? I mean, you're always gone. I know. Now we're back at it.
Yeah, I was
Crazy.
trying to get everything back in line this weekend. It's just.
Where'd you guys go? Hawaii or New Zealand?
So we went to Mount Beach, Hawaii.
Whoa.
And we had a house in Vermont, so we spent the first 2 summers. We do family up there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how's Fiji, South Pacific? Did you go to the little islands or?
Fiji has a new island.
Hopping?
So is that saying?
Hell of an anniversary. Nice. Yeah, we were at the beach.
Judge,
I'm ready when you are.
okay. And we will, to address the fee, I'll ask them some questions.
Is it a first or is it a second? Okay. I usually waive it on the first,
Oh, okay, great.
but if it's a trooper.
Yes, it's a trooper.
All right, you are Mr. Washington.
Yes.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand something important. You were pleading guilty to this offense and it will go on your record. What you also need to understand from now on, you're facing not only a minimum of 30 days in jail, but if you're convicted on a second offense, it's a $6,000 surcharge. And if you don't pay it, every $100 that you owe, you sit 1 day in jail. There are mistakes in life and then there are choices. You pick up a second DWI, it's not a mistake. It's a choice. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. Do you understand? You only get so many proverbial slaps on the wrist before it starts getting worse. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. It's stuck like this forever. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to 3 days in jail, give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. I will roll your court cost. That means that I'm right now taking away around $4,000 to $5,000 worth of fees, surcharges off. If you come back here, it's around $6,500 at least. You understand? Every time you get pulled over, officers will see that you have a prior DWI on your record. If you smell like alcohol or dope, how do you think it's going to go? Probably not very well. So for the rest of your natural born life, even if you have a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get into a car. I have to suspend your license. I will do it for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license, and good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good seeing you.
Thanks. You too, Ms. Alphonse.
Mr. Washington, you don't have to pay anything, you just need to go there, step on the conventions department on the first floor to close the account. You're good to leave after that. Okay, so. Thanks.
I didn't see how many we could have restricted. Okay, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
because you're the one. But it's nice to get some church with this truck. You know. And it's. It's so just some. There's going for that here. They take some of the effect. Oh yeah, I found them on the show. To be for the right? Yeah. Custody? No. I saw them on the show, so they always in a minute. Anyway, I'll leave all right now. I'm actually. That's what the writing is okay with it. The second girl on this.
Hey, Victoria, all those bond conditions that never got signed that are in the queue, I'm gonna put it on for this Thursday and I'll send an email now.
Okay, I already sent the email and said if they didn't come last week, we're gonna put them on that last week.
Okay, so I'm put it for Thursday.
I was out Friday.
Okay, I'll put them on for Thursday. If you know shows, hey, Mr. Johnson, what's up?
Judge, I just want to ask some, a couple questions on house rules and some fusion.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, hold on. I didn't know that you needed a fugitive prosecutor. Let me call them.
It's good. I just want to ask you a couple of questions.
Sure.
And may need that person, in a minute. So I've got, one, it's not Louisiana. I can give you a case number,
Okay, what is it?
2632-632.
On Verstiggy?
Yes.
Okay,
So, this is kind of a garden variety deal. We did one with you a while back out of Indiana, same thing, probation violation. Not a real serious case. And I just want to know house rules on how you want to handle that. Should we?
so typically what we do is I get Dave Kim over here. He is the fugitive prosecutor in the matter. He will take a look at it. He'll see what they're wanted for. He'll check whether their jurisdiction is actually going to come get them. If not, then he'll file a nollie. If they do want this person, at that point, we'll see whether he is okay with the bond or not. If not, then we'll go forward and then you just make your pitch to see whether we set a bond or not.
Okay. Good.
I don't know because, you know, I don't know what they're wanted for. I don't know what kind of criminal history they have. And
Probation
so,
violation. Yeah.
but what was the underlying case? A murder case, you know, so that's,
Just little drugs. Not even a lot of drugs.
it's on docket today.
No. That came in. That Friday. That was here. That's not. I see it.
Hello? All failed. I'm gonna text them to see if I can get them up here and then we'll talk and then we'll see. Just bear with me a couple minutes.
No, no.
I called it, it didn't, for some reason. So let me text them and then as soon as I get a reply, I'll let you know. For sure. Hey,
Should we follow up with the package with a pre-trial information and application?
okay, the case is old. I'm not gonna set it far off. So maybe like a week or two. Yeah,
I just want to give the state enough time to do their.
yeah, okay, got it.
Thank you.
Hey. Yeah, so can I give you a cause number? Are you, Mr. Johnson, you're gonna file an attorney of record?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need you to, please.
Are we getting an approval today?
263 2632.
But yes, I have the packet here. Physical to look at it now.
Vera Stiggy. Yeah, so I have Charles Johnson that's about to sign on to it and wants to talk about presumably a bond. Okay. All right, thanks, bud. Bye. He's coming. So get with him, see if you guys can agree on something. If so, then I'm game. If not, then we'll talk. For sure. Yeah, yeah, Mr. I have a motion to sub, Mr. Johnson, I have a motion to sub in the tower over there. If you want to go ahead, file it so we can get you attached to the case. Yeah, we have one right there. Or in the tower over there, we should have a motion to sub.
Got
Do you want to call them up to sign? Well, I'll get him to sign so I can move on and give them the
Okay.
list, and you should call him up. She's ready.
Great.
No, you don't have to sign. Just his signature.
You figure out your way.
In person or? You want?
Hey, Tom,
Good morning, Your Honor.
what's up, buddy?
Judge, I've got a client on PTI, Juan Enriquez Herrera,
Okay,
and when he went last month to check in, they told him he could ask to get the, removed.
he could do what?
If that he may be able to get the device removed, early,
That's not up to me. That's up to the contract that you guys signed with the state. So,
okay.
I don't know. What's the cost number, Tom?
256-1848.
Is it Alejandro Vega?
No. Enriquez, I think you said.
Enriquez Herrera.
Can I have the cost number again? 24.
Tom, what's the cost number again, please?
256-1848.
256. What's the last four?
1848.
Say that.
Hold on, I can't.
Just put it in the chat as well.
And the question was removing inner lock? They don't do that on DWI, PTIs anymore. They don't do, early.
I said, if they want to request removal of any device, they have to reach out to David Fleischer. But we don't, I got removed either.
Did you hear that?
And I did not, no.
You have to talk to Caitlin or who?
Augusto.
Agosto.
Okay,
But those are the two people that you have to talk to. I don't think here they can just, and I don't even think that the people monitoring have the authority to just remove it anyway. So talk to
okay.
them and then just let me know.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You got it. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Here's stuff for trial tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's talk about it. We have 2-hour anger management and dismiss offer, but that was on Friday and I haven't been able to get a hold of her on the phone.
So we'll keep it on for tomorrow.
Keep it on.
She either shows or she doesn't show. If she doesn't show, we're booking her bond. And then we'll see.
That's where we are.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Judges of paper me.
Sure.
That's a lot.
Of course.
Yes.
You speak English, Mr. Escobar.
That's what they are.
You don't belong in a car. Your history sucks.
That's right.
Don't drive, especially if you don't have insurance. Imagine if I take one of your most prized possessions and I break the hell out of it. How would you feel? This is the same thing with here in cars. Manslaughter, DWI, 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 FSGI, and now you have another FSGI and an evading arrest. Stop. It's just not Fair. You've been here how long? Around 3 weeks now?
Yes, sir.
When a $20 Uber ride could have gotten you wherever you want to go. Don't matter where you want to go. It's a geographical oddity. Start using Uber. You're charged with evading arrest or detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 60 days in jail with credit for the 23 days that you have done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. You are not, if you evade again, you will not be with us. From now on, you're looking at a felony offense if you evade from the officers or law enforcement again. Do you understand?
Yes.
This can be used to enhance you to a felony and you're looking at years instead of days next time. How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to find you guilty. As part of this agreement, the FSGI will be dismissed. I'm assuming, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Was there any restitution that was owed into the FSGI?
We'll be discussing the FSJ.
Was there any, I get it.
Oh, yeah.
Was there restitution?
We try to reach out to them, but right now we haven't been able to respond to them, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm just curious. All right. I'm going to send it to you to 60 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 23 days that you have done. The enhancement will be abandoned. Good luck to you, Mr. Escobar.
Thank you.
All right, man.
Maybe she's-
Thanks, man.
All right.
Yeah, you too.
Brandon? Number?
Good morning, Miss Lodi.
Yes, good morning.
How can I help you?
I was wondering if I can see the court proceeding?
Oh, you're here just to observe?
Yes.
Martin, you got something else for me?
No, I was,
Oh, okay.
we talked about. Yeah, I see.
Who did I vote for?
Very solid.
So that's, thanks.
That's fine. Also, I already This meeting is different. One,
We were locally. That's the issue. Yeah, one, I am. I have a lot of it, okay. Maybe it's good. Okay.
Because it's all.
I should have thrown it down. I love the animation of chaos. Tuesday, fun. Not like I wasn't hard I feel like it's going to go back. But way too many times. And then we just like so well, I used to we have this issue on. I have them out there. Yeah, so in a lot of time, I was on the getting issues. It should be mentioned, but you know, there should be all those. Mike, that's my judge.
Please. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
What's up?
Judge, I have an off-topic matter, whenever you're ready.
Okay, let me just finish this real quick. Okay, what's your cause number?
It is 261-6967.
On Rodriguez.
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
So I spoke with the state is willing to do a time served on the first. I know he has a warrant. There were immigration issues on this one. He would not take it time served on the first.
it's a second and it's above a 15. So, sorry. And it's in warrant status. I mean,
Understood. Would you allow him to do a walkthrough?
I don't know. I mean, he's been gone now for, I don't know.
It has been due to immigration, from my understanding of it.
Do what now?
It has been due to immigration, from my understanding.
Is he in immigration custody?
He's no longer in immigration custody. He just wants to resolve this case at this point.
Great. I'm not gonna do, he needs to come in just like everybody else, but I'm not gonna,
Understood.
yeah.
And
he
then,
can, I mean, there's a bond set. He can post a bond now, or he can come here and we'll deal with it, but
understood. I'll let him know if he wants to go on that. I'm sorry.
okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, Kobe, can I talk to you real quick?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
Oh, yeah, something. Mr. Johnson's was also there represented Pine of Petite.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is Stanley Johnson, Don, right? Is this correct?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson, come up. You were on bond for DWI. You were ordered not to use. I'm now revoking your bond and you will go into custody. It goes with you. Can you please appoint him a lawyer?
Yes.
Thanks. Yep, he's going with you. 5,002, please.
What are we doing now? And also,
Yeah.
Any state farm conditions on this?
I thought there was some in there, no?
No, that was for, it was another last night business.
No.
We got that. We can't do it. Yes.
Sure.
Well, what did you guys?
Just for what the air.
Hey.
This will be the number.
I think she's gonna make me function.
Yeah, because what happened was he was originally booked in on the department collection, and then the two other one, the third one didn't want to extradite. The second one, they released it, thinking that the DOC was going to pick up, but our special representatives that they had. So you see both.
I need a program.
So, because.
MONGHUR.
Vonder Jam.
Spot.
Oof.
I was an old VFA.
Yes.
So, we're here now, with this aunt, my client did miss first day of school today, HIC. He's a senior in high school. I spoke to the chief, so I'm gonna put a mitigation package together.
And it's 300 days, so we'll give you a week.
Exactly. So can we have a week, can I have this appearance waive or?
If it's done to what you like, yes.
Yeah, there's 2 or 3 things that I'm gonna ask him to do between now and then. I'll present it to the chief.
Mongor, come up.
I have him waiting outside the door.
Okay,
Do we come, I'm committed?
no, but just admonish him. If he doesn't have it done, I'm gonna roll his butt day for day till he gets it done.
Understood.
1 week. And then after that, give it to you, a couple days to decide, and then we'll.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for sure. Hi, Mr. Kim.
Very quick joke, just entering a pre-sign.
Got it. Okay, thanks. How are you? Good thing. Have you shown this to your client so he sees it, so he knows?
This one was a weird one because he's wanted by 3 different jurisdictions and there was just a hiccup at the sheriff's office. So this is one where he got released last week and then got arrested again for the same warrant.
Wow.
Just one of those things, Judge.
What was the last one?
This one is much clearer.
Yes.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Thanks, Judge. I'll email you on. Yes. Annabelle speaks. Okay. Unless I get it back. Okay. Yeah, she's on by. Thank you. I feel.
If you do this way. It's not, it isn't a little package. Okay.
Wait. No, this is the one where. Maybe. Let's find out. No, there was one where they refused and they're just fighting it. And, oh, no, this one not yet. This one's gonna be a little first one.
Okay.
Maybe. Hey, Josh.
Bye, Dave. See you tomorrow.
Gonzalez, Brianna? Yeah, pass.
Yeah, oh, yeah, for sure. Who's first?
359,
Oh, let me get there, hold on. Okay,
560. We put him on probation on June 15th. On
Uh-huh.
August 1st, he picked up a felony assault family member and law is at 5,000.
15,003.
We have one that was supposed to come for a court admonishment today. So wait for a man to go to residential. He's not here yet, but I think we said we we're gonna set the bond at 20,000 in court. Okay. I'll push it at the end of document.
Okay,
All right, go ahead and find.
I'll send it to you later. You can go ahead.
oh, okay.
So for Mr. Roberts.
Yes.
Yes, it's been,
It's about, it's 9/8, is what the day after. 9/9.
So, Mr. Fleischer.
Good morning.
Yes, Fleischer. Matt Bruce.
Please. How are you?
Before my kid went back to school, I promised him I'd bring him to meet you. He just wants to come say hello.
Yeah, come say hi. Thank you. Have some candy.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, young man. How are you? Daddy's a great guy. Works really hard. He's a great guy. Should be just like him. Follow in his footsteps. And you know, it'd be really great. You guys work together. How cool would that be? Huh? And then when he does bad, you put him in jail.
Oh.
Hold on. That's candy. They're not mine. I don't know who they did. I don't know who does it. But thanks.
Thank you, Judge Fleischer. I see him. I'm moving and start looking. I'll see you, Judge Fleischer.
Hello. What's my start? Where's your sister? Yeah. It's never anything the same. For you. We'll have the one on the first day is good.
Hey, you want to go through this?
Is anybody on Zoom? No. Okay. Bottom of 10, except for arrangement shall to appear.
2501.
Do you remember that one, Judge?
No. Now that you say it, yeah.
Oh, coordinator.
Did it just track to us? I mean, I don't understand. Because
Well, I got an email from him. He said he is unable to make it.
man,
You want to do
2501.
top of 15. Failed to appear on 8/5 and failed to appear today.
5002.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it failed to appear on what day?
8/5.
Okay.
All right, Judge, the next one. On page 26, Judge Torres.
Didn't council try to zoom on this?
No, she is two. She's this in Ortega.
Okay. Well, that's it then, Judge. We're just waiting on a couple of attorneys.
No, these are all. Yeah, I'll just put on. Thank you.
No. He can, back there if he's gonna go.
That's been Wilson.
That you, Terry?
Yes, we're gonna get your signature using this keypad. You're just gonna sign the bond conditions. Yeah. And give me a copy of the original. This is a copy of the bond conditions on what you can and cannot do on your bond. Your next court date is September 14th. You're required to be here. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Howdy, this is a bill order on Emily Hernandez. She is in over 8th waving.
So good, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
They'll sign it.
So the certification.
All right, go ahead and sign.
We had a problem, thank you so much. Good morning.
You need that. First, you'll put the journal.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
person, who's drafting on the individual school. We have 12 days of the 7th, fortunately, short, and the 25. And I would have the cost left. This little thing says, we did update it for you. Please, it would be relevant or realizing from not having to provide the assist prompt to change of these proceedings directly out there in the future. Helping to be ready for this. We can be dating, or we can have one. Yeah, that's totally right, but it's an idiot, the color wasn't just fine. Discussion session. Use the cost. Yeah, I think it's not audio. But it's being positive. Right. Yes, there's a backside, down my back. It says 5,000. No, I'm assuming the opposite, like, there wouldn't be position for that, the truth, I'm gonna they see something else. Also, giving out the mail, it's not effective. Will be bad, but I just, would give that, it was self-initiated by the position. That wasn't what we did. We said the audio, I was this. That is how it's. You have to be body and try not to be able to. Let's see, put it on. And the free down in the plane. We start and I want like with it. But I was also now. You know, where is that? This body. Which both of them and we provided the other ones. We said it has to be up to them. You know, ones that they have up to the state. That's what we thought. We see it on the bottom of the show. I think it has to be out for the traditional audio. This is a hat. Yeah. As another, so. Yes.
Hey. Be here on.
Wait on that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we are pushing on Jones.
Jones. Okay. No, that's, okay.
That's on Discovery. Now it's in follow.
So Judge, we reached out to, the dispatch, they indicated that there is no audio 911 call because it was received directly by the deputy and was self-initiated on scene. There is a call slip which we have uploaded and provided to the defense, but there is no audio.
There is no 911. So, okay. So do you have an offer on the case?
Yes, Judge, there is an offer on the case.
Great. Is your client here now or no?
No, yeah.
So we'll set you off a week because you're at 171 days. Let your client know that they gotta be here at the next setting, okay? To accept or reject. Okay? All right,
Yeah.
got it.
Oh, yeah, I can help you. Sure. Yes. August 18th. All right, got it. That's good. Maybe call your client and get anything about it. You start doing.
Hey, Michelle, on Abdullah,
Please swear or from the declaration we provide the document is true.
it says Abdullah. Is there any restitution?
People use it as an amendment.
On either of the theft cases. He's got 2 theft cases.
Judge, the first one is a target,
Come up, Council.
they haven't, been able to get hold of the, civil meetings. It was the, cologne.
Come up, Mr. Abdullah.
One judge.
Hi, first. Hey, less than 2 weeks. Mr. Abdullah, you're charged with 3 cases. You're charged with 2 counts of theft and 1 failure to ID. The agreement that you have worked out is they're going to dismiss 2 of them. Is that correct? Shaw?
Yes, Judge.
In exchange for your plea on 1 of the theft cases. What you're doing is you're entering into a deferred adjudication, which is a type of probation that if you complete successfully, you do not end up with a conviction on your record. It's hard enough growing up as a Black man in today's society. It really is. I could never put myself in your shoes. All I know is that when you start picking up theft cases, all you do is you make your life so much more difficult. No one hires thieves. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Life is hard enough as it is, and all you're doing is you're continually shooting yourself in the foot and becoming a statistic. You will be tested for alcohol. You will be tested for dope. You test positive, guess what happens? You give up nearly every right known to man entering into this deferred. And if you violate any of the conditions, no matter how minute you may think it is, you are looking at 180 days in jail. And I have no problems putting you in jail for up to that amount of time. You understand me? If that's what it's going to take to learn a lesson, then that's what it's going to take. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This is a done deal today. You either complete it successfully or you end up getting revoked and you're looking at 180 days in jail. A lot of this life is who you hang out with. I don't give a rat's behind what your excuses. You either do well or you do poorly. For you to complete this successfully, there's no drugs, no illegal drugs, including marijuana or anything that has THC in it. And I'm testing you in 2 weeks. You test positive. Do you understand me? You must do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. You must do a thinking for a change, the long one, please. 30 hours of community service. No contact with target. Who is the other?
It's, Johnson.
Sure. Do they own a store? Is it in the Galleria?
It's a person that was at school, he's lost her home.
Got no contact with the other complaining witness in this case as well. How do you plead to this offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty now. Mr. Abdullah, I promise you, you either do this well or you do this poorly. All that depends on you. What are you doing with yourself these days?
I'm just regulated. I'm going to start college in a couple of days. Just got into AI.
You might as well just quit. Every time someone looks you up, you know what they're going to see? Theft, failure to ID. When your name comes up against another candidate with similar experience, with 0 on their background, who are they going to choose?
Aren't you excited?
You're young. People in the workforce understand that young is dumb sometimes and they make mistakes. However, after time passes, 10, 15 years, if you don't get out of trouble, it won't negatively impact you as much because people will see, okay, well, this guy may have been stupid once. Hopefully he's going out of this. But if you continue to pick up charges, just quit because no one's going to give you the time of day. I'm telling you how it is in the real world. You understand? Perception is reality. You understand? All right. So either in 30 days, school full-time or full-time job, provide proof of both. Don't use illegal substances. Do you understand me? Yes. All right, good luck, sir. Thank you. Hey, what's up?
You don't spot Martin tomorrow because he's saying he has to give a speech in Austin, but obviously he has to ease up. How would we hear it from?
I don't know. I mean, if he wants to, has he had a motion for continuance before?
I don't know. He just wanted to know what position he was in line for Friday.
What do you mean for Friday?
Is it Friday that you have trouble?
No, Tuesday.
Tuesday, okay, for tomorrow, sorry.
I mean, he's probably up. I don't know. I mean, are you ready on Mark's case?
Mark Easton's case,
Barbara,
I don't believe so.
that's the one, yeah, that's the one that I just emailed. He's not first on the trial docket, Judge. It's our first motion, but to continue because one of the experts has had vacation. Was it vacation or?
Okay, so it sounds like they're gonna move for continuance.
So you're gonna move because it sounds like they were too.
No, Mark's gonna go. If he has to be here, he'll be here, but if they're moving for continuance, then I'll let him know that.
On Barbara, I did file a motion for continuance about 2 weeks ago. I spoke to Mr. Thiessen. He said he was fine with it.
I get it, but have you had a continuance before?
No, it's just.
You sure?
Yeah.
What's the cause number?
It's,
Mark's actually tagging in right now.
Oh.
it's been rolled.
Hey, Mark, I'm approaching on it.
Hey, Marky Mark.
Hey, man. Hey, sorry, Judge. Hey, guys. Sorry, I heard Sean and everything.
I'm here.
Don't worry about
you, man.
So-
Sorry, sir.
What's your cause number, Mark? Please,
Let me check that out real quick. Sorry.
because it looks like the state's moving for continuance.
Yes, sir. And my cause number is 256-8896. And I said, I don't have any objection because it's their first, I believe.
Okay, Judge, I'm gonna run upstairs to felony.
So what's going on upstairs as well? Are you guys set up there too or no?
No. Mm-mm. And I'd be lying to you. I think they filed that just to kind of force our hand here. And so I'm going to go win this and, well, hopefully win this and knock out the felony.
We're told by felony, just everybody, so everybody's aware, is that if he was to plea on the DWI, they will dismiss the felony.
Exactly. So they're trying to strong arm me into taking this. So if I beat this, it takes out the felony.
Touche.
And so we're said here, they didn't file that felony till
So you know, as you know, Mark, I usually grant a first continuance, but I'm not going to do a second. So the state's moving for continuance now. They filed it first. I'll grant it. Give us, reach out to Victoria. You guys pick a day, 30, 45 days.
Yeah.
But I'm not granting another one. So
I appreciate that, Judge. And just so you see, I hope they're not buying time because felony's not pushing me to trial. And so they're not going to try and push that felony to make strong arm me into pleading.
I don't. An email from the experts.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything nefarious going on.
Okay.
I would hope not, but you never know, right?
Good. So, yeah, no problem. Then, no problem. And I'll get with the office to get a new date for everybody.
Okay, my friend.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate the
Okay. Take care.
Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, and if you don't mind putting that in, sign this. Hey, where did Stacy go? I'd like to address the pond violation. Do you mind grabbing her, please? She had the white dress on. Please, I think she's outside. Tony, you need to talk?
Here, Cesar Ortega.
Ortega.
We're from Miss Vega. She's currently in the hospital.
Oh, is she? Okay, so do you know how long? She's got a case that's pretty old. That's fine.
She was there, I think she was admitted Thursday.
Ortega's not an old case, or actually maybe Ortega is one. Hold on.
All I know is that there's a discovery issue. And then I get,
Great. She needs to be here. She's the attorney record.
I understand. but-
So- I understand, right?
Yeah,
So,
next surgery.
huh?
Yeah, next surgery.
Yeah.
So I don't know how long she's in there since Thursday.
Okay, let's set it off a week and let's see where we're at.
Okay.
You know, she can always zoom in. So hopefully after a week, she's back bound. The other case, I don't care. You can do a regular reset, but Ortega is 190 days old. I'm not going to do long resets. You know what I mean?
That's fine.
It's time to
Yeah.
put up. Do you have an offer in the case?
Trying to pull it up, Judge.
Is Ortega here? Ortega?
No, it also waived the parents' judge.
Okay, so no more waived appearances, just if you don't mind.
Stacy's not.
You know,
I think there was a rip call that was.
okay,
The last one. Yeah, it's his mom. So. Let me hear the phone first. No. Out of the same. Loud is not really. No, it should be. No, it's not. I just got the forward of this. Okay, so.
I would give what them on the yeah. I guess it's just all the other stuff. Yeah, he had shut up, it's just like they just walk. I'll just go off. It looks like he does that. Alright. Sure. That's the time. Sure. No, sure.
Oh, the sheriff's
This case that we were just talking about, I just kind of got the rundown. There's an AFM, they can't get hold of complainants. There's an FSGI that's not related to the AFM.
On Ortega?
There's the FSGI and a PCS that are attached together, two separate cases. There's 3 cases. On the FSGI, they have been able to contact with the complaint on that. And on the drug case, there's a lag. So it's not that the defense is doing anything here, it's just that, yeah.
But I need you to tell me this, not at 190 days old, so I can put their feet to the fire.
I believe that was done last Saturday. I wasn't here.
So whatever's not in, it's 190 days old. Whatever's not in is not coming in. That's it. So give you a week, knowing that whatever's out now is not coming in. You guys need to make a decision on what you want to do. So whatever's not in now, I just don't care. It's just not coming in. So make a decision on what you guys want to do. Hopefully should be pretty easy. You guys too. Eval it with all the stuff that's not going to come in. We'll come back in a week.
And just to be sure, the assault family member, that's a new case. I mean, is that for all 3?
If it's 190 days old, then let me see.
The FSCI and possession of controlled substance were from February. But the AFM is.
I mean, it's 123 days old. I'm not going to do it on that. That's still relatively young.
Okay.
But on the other 2, I'll exclude whatever is not in.
Okay.
Okay. So, but that in mind, get on it, please. Whatever
You
you're
have
missing.
to investigate it. It's just the complainants are related.
There's always an excuse.
Yeah.
There's always, I mean, it's the nature of the beast. Just,
We'll find.
right. Yeah. Okay. You got it. Stace. Mr. Alvarado, come up. I have bad news for you. Is that your family over there, Mr. Ortega?
This is Alvarado.
Or I'm sorry, Mr. Alvarado?
You know,
Did you just hear by yourself? You have to understand that there are no mistakes in this life. There are choices. I harp on it over and over and over. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. You have 2 DWIs in 2024. You pick up another DWI. So you're on bond for 2 DWIs. Normally, when I have something like that and a disposed of DWI within the same year, so literally 3 DWIs within 2 years, the bonds are relatively high. Your bonds are at 1,000 and 1,500. And I told you at the outset, when you got your second DWI, that there was no tolerance whatsoever. You came to me, said, look, Judge, I got to work. And I said, okay, fair is fair, and I don't want you to lose a job. I amended the schedule to what you asked me for. And now you're getting home beyond 10 o'clock. Unacceptable. You are going to jail today. Because if I were to do anything else, you know what would happen? It would continue, and it would continue like a little child. My son is 4, and I love him to death, but he tries to beat me down over and over, trying to get away with as much as he can over and over. And at some point, I have to put him over my knee so that he understands the message. Do you get the analogy? I am now putting you over my knee and you will go to jail today because you have 2 bond violations, not just 1. Do you understand?
Sure. Judge, can you at least explain like what happened?
No.
Can I speak?
Sure.
'Cause normally I'm with you, but in this instance, I'm not. He's come 60 times to this court in 2 months. He hasn't missed a drug test. He hasn't missed court. He's been doing everything to the letter. Now we get to the day that he's gonna plead, he's gonna finish his convenient, and he's gonna jail today.
There's only one reason that this is happening
No,
now.
I understand.
Right.
But
I need him to understand.
At least to figure out like why he came late or something. Was there some sort of circumstance or something?
But that's the thing is, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It just doesn't. Stacy, you have 3 DWIs in 2 years.
No, I'm not.
You are lucky to even be out. You are lucky that someone is not dead, where you end up with a 30 to 40 year sentence, Mr. Alvarado. Do you understand the gravity of what's going on? I don't think you do, because otherwise you would be home by when curfew is.
How does that work? But yeah, I understand.
You know what the rule is. When you're on bond for 2 WIs, your life is the court, not your dog, not your grandma, not your cherry tree. Goes with you. No, sorry, I can't, because we'll be back, he'll be back with the motion in 2 weeks. 10,000 to on both.
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Leonard.
I am here for an in-custody case.
Okay.
And we're bringing that last in this black.
Stacy, did you have something back? Oh, Norris.
Okay, thank you for coming on this.
Oh, of course, Judge.
I need to bring him out though, because we need to address, he's on bond for an unlawful restraint, assault of a family member, interference, and now he's picked up a VPO. Are they all the same complaining witness?
Yes, sir. I would like to say, same transaction, and we have a very revealing.
What do you mean, same transaction?
Those first 3 are all.
Yeah, I get it.
Same issue.
Sure.
We have a pretty exculpatory grip call, which was the basis of my defense. Unfortunately, this case popped up. I plan on letting the court know about that.
Let's say 75% of the cases have. But nevertheless, you still have to abide by court orders. You can't just.
I understand. It would be to support my request for a reasonable bond.
So you tell me what you think, Ms. Shaw. I mean, let's do PC first, because I don't know anything about the BPO. I don't know how bad, dangerous, if it is at all. What, if anything, happened? I don't know.
Snippet. Officers conducted a traffic stop due to failure to signal within the 100 feet range required under the Texas Transportation Code. It was sergeant, and when they approached, they took out the passenger, and when they looked her up, they noticed that he had the protective order and they were the same car. That's.
Okay, thanks. Etch. Can you bring up Mr. Black, please? Thanks. Do you want to talk about something else?
I watched the movie Obsession. It was pretty good.
Did you see The Odyssey?
Which one?
The Odyssey?
No, yeah.
It's great, but it was so freaking loud. I think I went deaf. I mean, they had it. Did you see it?
No, Spider-Man, and I was thinking.
No, but no. It was, my watch kept dun, 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 too loud, get out.
Well, because it's IMAX, right? So they,
No, but it was
everything
was
loud.
way too loud. I mean, other than that, it was good.
Yeah.
And that's how I too.
But I got little kids, so it's a long movie if I remember.
It was 3 hours. I mean,
That's a give me a miniseries. I'm a miniseries guy.
we got there like at 1:40 or no 1:15, right? The movie. We didn't end up leaving till like 4 or 5.
I love Nolan. Interstellar.
Dude, that's for me too. I love it. That Interstellar is just so freaking good.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Good morning, Mr. Black. How's jail? Great. That makes me very happy. Court orders are there for a reason. They're not for Mr. Black to do whatever the hell he wants to do. There are court orders. And when you don't follow court orders, there are drastic consequences, as you now see. You know, we can only give people so many PR bonds before we start saying, hey, dude's just not getting it, you know? All we want are our streets safe. You're on bond for an interference, unlawful restraint, and an assault. The only thing I asked you not to do was have contact with the complaining witness and not to have weapons. And now, what happened with Mr. Black?
On 8/6/2026, at approximately 1919 hours, deputies were on a routine patrol. They assisted Sergeant who was conducting a traffic stop on Alden Bender Road, Harris County, a public roadway. Sergeant advised that the stop was based on probable cause of observing the driver failed to signal continuously for at least 100 feet before turning or changing lanes. Once the driver was identified, the stop was done by the driver was identified through Texas driver's license. The passenger was identified as Ryan Paris. It was revealed that an active magistrate order of emergency protection was issued listing Ryan Paris as a protected person. The law explicitly prohibited defendant from going near or being in presence of Paris. The order had been issued following assault family violence, and it is from an incident from May 2026. Still active.
Got it. Do you mind filing a new MOAP on the VPO, please? I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me clear, Mr. Black. The Texas Constitution does not allow me, but in extremely limited circumstances, to hold someone at no bond, zero bond. This is misdemeanor court. We're not felony court where we can just hold everybody at no bond. But you are now charged with a violation of a protective order. If I put conditions on it and you violate conditions on the VPO, I can have a hearing within 3 days to hold you at zero bond. And I will do it in a heartbeat to protect everyone in my city. Do you understand me? When I mean no contact, I mean no contact at all. That means jail phone calls. That means written notes. That means smoke signals. That means use of third parties. I'm going to issue now another order for protection. You pick up another one. Now you will be looking at a 3rd-degree felony, perhaps a 3rd-degree felony, depending on if you have any other priors. Could be a 2nd degree. Could be looking at up to 10 years or up to 20 years in prison. No contact and no weapons. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because of the new case, I'm now going to revoke your other bonds and I'll set them all at 5,004. I don't know if you're going to bond out. If you do, you will get a GPS monitor and you're not to go within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to have this conversation with you again. If you pick up a new case, you violate conditions, just be ready. Every phone call that is made in the detention center is recorded. Even if you use someone else's spin. You understand? I have put people in ag-seg before, and I'll do it again. Don't try to be crafty. Do you understand? Okay. We're going to have you sign a reset. We're going to have you sign your conditions, and then we'll see what happens. Okay.
Judge, and if I may, would you be open to modifying it if it's a curfew or a GPS to at least lower the bonds on the other ones, keeping this at private?
I think that Mr. Black has just extensive criminal history. All these cases are violent cases, and yet he's still having contact. I don't think that there are any non-financial conditions that will be in place. I mean, we already had a protective order in place, and he just, so
I believe
it may be due time, but now I'm not ready to just, Okay. All right, Mr. Black, good luck. Thanks.
May I do a short reset for you as well?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, this is good.
I've been out of there, 7:15. Yeah, we have not much to go.
That's my bond bonus. Yeah, it's in here. Thank you.
Well, I'm yes.
Yeah.
If you want to send your messages. Yeah, except for the way it's just that has all fun. Hopefully it's on a mental health words. But they're not just today. Easy on or whatever. So they're really good on them and set them so it's on down and then they'll have to sell. So you cannot do this. On that. All right, got it. It's really left.
Anything else you want to talk about?
But I found them a lot from this creative opportunity.
Oh, great. Yeah. Oh, did you send them down already? Black? Yeah, he needs to sign them off. Okay.
Hi.
What's up?
Hello, how are you?
Good, good. Are you still with the office or no?
Yes, oh, yes.
Oh, okay.
I have a case on your docket tomorrow.
What?
Yes.
How's that even possible?
Sometimes. We assign it.
What?
It's one that she filed. So there's.
What's caused them? You know?
Yeah, it was the last, Nelson, first name Ryan.
We're honored to have you. Really?
About the case.
Oh, wonderful.
Did you, do the attorney?
Is it public integrity or something?
Oh, I'm sorry, or six. That's okay, that's okay. I just spoke with defense counsel's, assistant. They may be calling up here to try to get it off the docket. She said, can we just not use their figure? But I don't think perfect, so, perfect.
No. We need to do bond, no. We need to do bond conditions. No,
Perfect.
It's not probably. Nobody signed it.
no. Mo, is it Mo or Goodhines? Good times.
For the investor.
Yeah. Is that?
I saw these all in notice of appearance. But I think.
Okay.
Oh, Joseph.
Perfect. That works better for me anyway. Oh, good. All right.
Good to see you. See you tomorrow.
Like one of those special cases which we call it state crime.
Oh, it's a hate crime?
Okay.
Judge on Alvarado,
Yeah,
how much did you revoke it for?
10,002 each.
That might be it.
We only have one in the box now.
Yeah, she had Jolista originally, and then Jolista said, I'm running late, and then at 11:30, she said, can you reappoint? I can't make it.
Right, it is what it
So
is.
Toby